In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon on Godaddy. In this easy 2023 tutorial, a favicon, in case you're unfamiliar, is that small icon you see in your browser tab next to the page title. It's a nifty little way to personalize your website and make it look professional. Let's dive right into this simple step-by-step process. First off, you're going to want to navigate to the Godaddy website. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see various options available, such as domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. This will be your starting point. Next, you'll need to go to the products section. It's simple, just look for the tab or link that says products. It might be under a menu or a drop down, so give it a careful look. Once you've found it, click it. This step will take your Godaddy account's product dashboard where all your purchase services live. Now you should be seeing a list of your products like domain names and websites. This is where you click on your website. Simply locate the name of the website you want to add the favicon to and give it a click. This action will open up additional options related to the website you selected. Upon clicking your website, you'll be directed to a new page where you should find the option for Edit Website. It's usually pretty big and clear, so it shouldn't be too tricky to find. Once you see it, go ahead and click it. This takes you to the website builder, where you can make further adjustments and additions to your site. Once inside the website editor, you'll need to locate the settings menu. This is where a lot of the behind the scenes management happens on your website. Typically it's tucked away in a sidebar or a drop down menu. Once you spot it, click on settings. Now within the settings section, you're looking for an option called favicon. Keep an eye out for this specifically, as it's your golden ticket to adding that little icon to your website. Once you've found the favicon option, click it. This is where the specific favicon settings and upload options are located. At this point, you're ready for the final step. You'll see an option to upload your favicon. Make sure you have your favicon image file ready on your computer. Click the upload button, which will prompt you to choose the image you want to use. Select your favicon file and confirm the upload. And there you have it, your favicon should now be applied to your website. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a favicon to your Godaddy hosted website. It's a small touch, but one that makes a big difference to how your site is perceived. Thanks for watching, and good luck personalizing your website.